Okay, I don't think we've had a section that's had up to 7 videos yet. This is I've broken the record right here, but it's all good. Everything. I really feel confident that after you watch these videos, you're gonna know what to do. So that's the good thing. All right, last example. Here's letter A. Okay, letter A is in the function notation, but you can glean from here our 2 points. For our first point, x equals 0. This has to be your y, that's 9. There's your first point. Go to the second function, x equals 3. Second function, your second y coordinate is 0. So these are the 2 points we're going to graph on the line. So go ahead, you got a nice pretty coordinate graph there. I don't, but I can still graph just like you can. The first point, I go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hopefully you've recognized something special about that first point. I don't know, maybe, hopefully. And then my second point, 1, 2, 3. So this is 0, 9. This one's 3, 0. Now, you can use rise over run because you have a nice pretty grid where you can count the boxes. I am going to use the slope formula because I don't want to count wrong. So if I'm going to use the slope formula, I got to label my points. I'm going to let this be x1, y1. Let this be x2, y2. And now I'm ready. I'm just going to go here on the side and find my slope. Now keep in mind, we should get the exact same number. Same number, same sign. Same number, same sign. If we don't, one of this is wrong, and I bet you it won't be me. So y2 is 0, y1 is 9, x2 is 3, x1 is 0. My slope is negative 9 divided by 3. Okay? Negative 9 divided by 3. So that simplifies to negative 3. My slope is 3. And I hope that's what you got. My slope is 3. That's my M. Now, which one of these points will give you the B? Well, hopefully you recognize the point where x is 0. The x coordinate is 0. So your B is right here. Or if you plotted the points, you realize this was the point on the y-axis. So my B is 9. The equation for this line, and I can go ahead and make the line for you so you can see it. The equation for this line is negative 3x plus 9. There you have it. One more example. One more. Let's look at letter B. I'm going to scooch right here. For letter B, your functions are f of 0 is equal to 7 and f of 3 is equal to 1. So I'm going to take this information and write it as an ordered pair, my x, comma, y. That's going to be 0, 7, and that's going to be 3, 1. And now we both need to plot our points. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 1 to the right 3 and up 1. That's my second point. So you know what? If I want to be formal with it, let me make me a line. There's my line. Now, here's my first point. Here's my second point. You can use rise over run. I'm going to label and use the formula. x1, y1, x2, y2. My slope, 1 minus 7 divided by 3 minus 0. 1 minus 7 is negative 6 divided by 3. My slope is negative 2. And if you did your rise over run, you should get the same thing, negative 2. Now, which one of those numbers gives me my y-intercept? The one where x equals 0. There's my B. So my equation should be y equals negative 2x plus 7. There you have it, folks. So here is your homework. Well, not here, but here is what's going to help you with your homework. I'm not sure what I'm going to assign yet, so you're just going to have to wait for it. But hopefully you've got enough information to complete the entire thing. If not, we'll do some at home or on the bus the morning of class or whatever, and then some in the classroom with me.